There are people are driven by resentment and anger. They hold on to hearts and never get over them. Instead of releasing their pain through forgiveness, they rehearse it over and over in their minds. They internalize their anger while others blow up and explode it onto others. Both responses are unhealthy and unhelpful. Resentment always hurts you more than it does the person you resent, while your offender has probably forgotten the offense and gone on with life. You continue to stew in your pain, perpetuating the past. Listen, those who have hurt you in the past cannot continue to hurt you now unless you hold on to the pain through resentment. Your past is past, nothing will change it. You're only hurting yourself with your bitterness. Learn from it and then let it go.